I can't believe I'm actually doing this. I'm actually starting my YouTube channel again. It's so exciting, but I really hope that we can build a community over here and learn makeup, have fun with it. So I just thought I'll do a quick welcome video in case you don't know who I am. I'm just going to do my eyes as well. I'm going to be using the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Palette. So I'm just going to go in with the Nars Soft Matte Concealer and I'm just going to prime my eyelids. This is what I normally like to use. Chester. Sorry, that was my dog. In case you do not know me, I'm Prunela Castellino. I'm a certified makeup artist and I used to be a skincare specialist at Mecca as well. I have been creating content on Instagram and TikTok for over 5 years now. And while these platforms are doing well, I feel that I can't really give you my full knowledge because everything is so quick and short. So just quickly, I'm going to go in with this shade here as a transition shade and I'm going to create the eye look. I have learned so many things at Mecca when I used to work there and through my certification as well. And I wanted to build a community and just help you all with your everyday makeup issues. It can be a very confusing world when you start off with because there are so many products, drugstore products, there is luxury products. You might not necessarily know where to start and what to do, and that's exactly why I'm here. I am still not very sure about my posting schedule yet, so let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see from me, which country you're watching me from. I'm gonna go in with this deeper shade here and just build on the color. I know when I first started with makeup, I was so confused. I didn't know where to start, what product to get, and everything is so confusing right now, isn't it? And especially now when times are getting tough, the economy is not the best, everything is getting so expensive, especially groceries. So you're like, how do I spend so much money on makeup? The look that I'm creating today is usually my signature one. This is what I love wearing, on the go sort of thing, and it's so easy. So now I've gone in with a bit of a black color. Now you don't get this color in the Ethereal palette. So I've gone in with the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes, the Neutrals palette. It's a new one that he launched, so I'm just using the black color just to deepen out the eye look. Much needed coffee break in between is needed as well. So you can see how I've gone in and deepened out the outer piece there and I've brought some of the black in. Now we're going to focus on adding the shimmer. So for shimmers, I'm going to go in with this goldish kind of color. This is how it looks. Let me see if the camera can focus on my finger. It's given a very beautiful kind of glowy color. And I'm just going to tap this on the center of the lid just like that. I prefer packing this on with my fingers rather than with a brush because I feel it just warms up a lot more easily. Just found this annoying hair on my nose, which happens pretty often. I don't know why. I digress. I know. But now we're just going to apply the shadow on the remaining part of the eye. It should give you a nice hue like that. Going back to what I was saying before, don't you think everything has become really expensive suddenly? Which country are you from? What is the most expensive thing on your grocery list? Because I feel groceries are so expensive now. How are you managing? Let me know all of that in the comments. Now, because of these price increases, do you think you spend more on luxury makeup or more on drugstore makeup? Also, what's your favorite brand in drugstore? And since I buy, like, honestly, most of my products, I would say about 80% of my products are personally bought. I'm also finding the pinch, so I'm not really going in and buying all the expensive stuff right now because, you know, things are getting really expensive. So now I'm even going to work a lot more harder so that I can give you relevant drugstore options to see which ones perform really well and so that even you can be able to get the same looks that I do. So this is sort of the finished eye look. This is my signature look. This is what I really love doing. I'm just going to pop on some mascara off camera and I'll be back. And so I've finished the eye look and I've used the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara and I've got pretty long lashes. The formula seems slightly drier, or it could be just because it's been sitting there for a while. But it's given a very beautiful kind of long lashes. It did not clump up at all. Thank God about it because I hate mascaras that do that. But overall, I really like this one as well. And this is the final look, guys. What do you think about it? Would you give it a try? If you do recreate it, tag me in it. And yeah, I will see you in my next YouTube video. See you!